Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to preserve roses with silica gel. This method is fantastic for keeping your beautiful blooms looking fresh for a very long time. We'll go through all the steps, from preparing your roses to the final drying process. You'll need a few simple items, like an airtight container and, of course, the silica gel itself. Let's get started on creating lasting memories with your favorite flowers. Before we introduce the silica gel, proper rose preparation is key for the best results. Choose roses that are at their peak bloom and show no signs of wilting or damage. Using sharp scissors, trim the stems to a length of about 1 to 2 inches. This shorter stem allows for easier placement in your container. Also, gently remove any leaves or thorns that might interfere with the drying process. Now for the main event. Applying the silica gel. Start by pouring a layer of about 1 inch of silica gel into the bottom of your chosen airtight container. Carefully place your prepared roses on top of this layer, making sure they are not touching each other. You can place them face up or face down, depending on the desired final shape. Then, slowly and gently pour more silica gel over each rose until it is completely submerged and covered. Once your roses are fully covered, seal the airtight container tightly. Store it in a cool, dry location away from direct sunlight. The drying process typically takes about 5 to 7 days, but larger roses might need a few extra days. After this period, carefully remove the roses and gently brush away any remaining silica gel using a small, soft brush. Your beautifully preserved roses are now ready to be displayed and enjoyed for years to come.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.